know your customers? Do you know what they like, what they don't like? Do you know where they shop? Do you know if they have kids? Do you know what kind of fun activities they do? Do you know what kind of social events they attend? How well do you know your customer? Whilst you're building your business, it's crucial that you all actually follow through knowing your customers, because this will help you build a system around providing a product or service that they would use forever. Because you're growing a business, you're building a business, you're not building a one-time activity. No, you want them to be able to come back to you repeatedly. Now, knowing the status of your customer would help you to be able to create a product, a service, an environment, a system, a process around keeping them engaged, around keeping them interested, around keeping them wanting more. When you watch a movie that you absolutely love, what do? You can watch it like 20 million times and never get tired. You laugh at the same joke. My favorite movie of all time is Blended by Adam Sandler. Now, why do I like Blended? Number one, I'm a big fan of Adam Sandler. Adam Sandler, if you're watching, hi. So, I like Adam Sandler. He's funny, naturally, even without doing anything. I just find the guy amusing. Now, I love Blended because it's a family movie. I can sit down watching with my husband and my kids. I also like Blended because it just makes me laugh, the different scenes and the different things that was going on. Now, Adam Sandler released another movie recently, and as usual, I was like, hey, let's go watch it. And my kids were like, Mommy, I don't think you want to watch this one. And I'm like, why? He said, it's not really your type of movie. It's not really comedy. I was like, whoa, Adam Sandler is not doing comedy? What's up with that? See, right there. It went from what I was used to what I don't understand. Now, I'm still going to watch the movie at some point. But do you see how my kids, knowing what I like and don't like, were able to instantly change my mind? It's the same with your business. When you know what your customers like and love, even if a stranger came in to say something to them, to make them move away from your product or service, guess what? They might take them away one time, but because of the quality that you provide them and the process and system around your product and service, you might have lost that customer for that one. But guess what? They are coming back. Just like I would always watch Adam Sandler's movie, regardless of whether it's comedy or not, but he's an actor that I like, I will always come back. This is what you need to do for your customers. Create a tribe or culture. Read Seth Godin's The Tribe to understand that. It's not about building an Amazon or a Google, but it's about building your own tribe of people, your own community of people that just love what you put out there. That's what you want for your business. Again, thank you as always. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.